So, as you well know, artificial intelligence is a key component of economic development now. You hear it every day. So the idea is to peel back what exactly is behind it and how can we position ourselves to utilize AI so that we are not left behind. I heard somebody saying the other day that, we have not eaten and we have not drank. What's AI going to do? A lot. AI can lift a lot of people out of poverty, right? And the expert, Mr. Obadare, who was on the panel, said, look, he used to sell Maggi on the bridge, right? But what did he do? He was always learning. He's one of the most credentialed cybersecurity experts. He didn't have any money. He didn't start out with money, but because of what he was able to do, what he was able to learn, just a little bit of data can get you informed about what AI is and its potential to help the economy. So that's why we are evangelizing this message to young people that, look, let them get ready for the future that is coming. Don't tell me, these jobs are not there. No. You can prepare yourselves for the jobs in fact, they're already here. My presentation in the morning said we need 10,000 AI engineers, right? I was able to do a Python course online and it didn't cost me much. Maybe it cost me about 1,000 naira worth of data. That in total, 1,000 naira worth of data. And that's all. I didn't go to any class, I didn't go to anything, and I have that certification now. So I think this platform was to evangelize that message for young people to prepare for the future, for them to use their time wisely, right, and for them to upskill themselves in the area of AI. Lagos State will do its part. It's going to implement different trainings. It's going to give the opportunity for startups to evangelize their products, as we do already. We fund startups, we fund research and development in universities, and so this platform was for us to talk to young people about that, but for them to also know and to prepare for the future.
Dell Technologies is one of the leading global technology company. We manufacture technology. We're the leading infrastructure technology business in the world, advancing human progress. We build technology that fosters human development, human science, businesses, empowering businesses, with a powerhouse for many of the businesses. So when many businesses leverage our technology in achieving their business objectives, and we helping businesses grow and achieve their overall goals and objectives in terms of business. So, we do technology. That's our bread and butter. We manufacture technology, and years back, we're probably known as the PC computers, but today we've gone beyond just PCs. We're in the forefront of AI innovation, building the AI factory, all-in-one system for artificial intelligence. And our primary, we have different layers of strata of business around data, the storage of data, securing the data, and having the data in the right place, depending on the utilization. Apart from securing, also having access to the data, even gaining insight from the data, and also leveraging the data to probably take business decisions, and all manner of leverage that you can find from intelligence from your data. So it's we even processing the data. It's all encompassing what we're doing in that space. And also cloud, we're one of the leaders in cloud and how people are taking advantage of cloud. And in all of these, we have choice. Customers having choice as one of the key things that defines what promotes how we would design our technology.
My name is Simpa. I am co-founder CEO for ThinkTel. ThinkTel, we are basically a financial inclusion vehicle. So we provide access to financial services for for unbanked communities in sub-Saharan Africa. So if you look at the number of people don't have a bank account or don't fully operate a bank account, and many of them are excluded from the financial economy. But what we do is that with digital assets, airtime, they can have access to financial services. So for everybody that has a mobile phone, we provide them access to financial services. So if you take, for example, I have an uncle in the village who doesn't really operate a bank account, or is scared of banks, the charges, or the amount he has is too small, he doesn't operate a bank account. But he can basically take his airtime, and whenever he wants, he can convert it to cash whenever he wants. People can send him airtime from from family in different parts of the country, and he can convert into cash. At some point in time, let's say it's in the middle of the night, you lose your power, you can basically convert your airtime and then eventually get electricity tokens. So in that way, regardless of whether you have a bank account or not, you can have access to financial services. And then we see a lot of banks people who also use our services, where sometimes the banks are failing, or they're unreliable, or some platform is down, or you can't log into your bank account, but you can basically have access to make some payments so you're not stranded using your airtime. So for us is that our solution is technology driven. We have a pioneer software that basically allows users to easily convert their airtime to cash, and it's instant and it's fast, and you can get it. You can literally go to any, you don't even have to, if you have a bank account, you can convert to your account, but even if you don't have a bank account, you can literally walk up to any POS agent, and then you can have access to take cash from them, and then we'll give them we'll take airtime from you, and then they will give you cash. Us is pretty straightforward. Everybody knows how Lagos digital economy is really growing, and it's really massive now. And for us, like we're driven to really allow everybody to have access to financial services, regardless of whoever you are or whatever amount you're dealing with. So I'll give you an example. Recently, I was going through one of our messages from our customers, and then somebody sends us a message and says, "Oh, I want to convert my airtime to cash now, and I need this money to come through immediately." And he had basically just started the transaction, and he sent us the message. And then I look at it, and I see, and I look at the amount, and guess what? It's like 160 naira. So you never really know how important this money is. It's very little, but for people who are really maybe low on cash or have little money, it means a lot to them. And that's what we're trying to do, to just ensure that regardless of whoever you are or whatever amount you're dealing with, you can have access to all the financial services you have.
Hyperspace is an AI and a Web3 company, and what we are focused on is transforming businesses by leveraging new emerging technologies. We have currently solutions that we've built using the AI platform. We've used building blockchain solutions. So we're championing digital transformation using emerging technologies like AI and Web3. So, the problem that we have realized is that a lot of businesses sit on large data that they do not use to make informed decisions. So we created a solution using the retrieval augmented generation model to create a platform where these businesses can now use their own data to make informed decisions. So it's like using the ChatGPT that we use currently. We don't use it on our own data, we just use it on generic data. So we created a platform where you can now use your own data to make informed decisions using the retrieval augmented generation model. Okay, the event is a way of fostering digital transformation, and that's a very major objective. That's a major goal that we drive at Hyperspace. The team this year, which is focused on AI and Lagos digital economy, is a way to push AI transformation, AI innovation across the economy, and that is what we are championing at Hyperspace. And the vision aligns today, where we're also pushing digital transformation and AI innovation, as well as the trainings, the education around AI, the knowledge around AI, just to expose individuals, expose people to the potentials that artificial intelligence has to offer.
Slick Cards is like a digital business cards. The whole idea of our brand is to get rid of paper cards, because let's be honest, if you give me your business card today, once I save your number, that card will not get to my house. I'll end up throwing it away. So the way our card works is you tap your card on your client's phone, or scan the QR code, and my contact card or my mini website comes up on the person's phone. So it eliminates the whole process of trying to communicate and type and everything. So that's basically how our card works. It's very, very secure because once you tap it, we can lock it. So if anybody picks your card, they won't be able to access the information. But there's a way we unlock your card for you personally, and once you tap it, yes, it's safe. Basically pure for networking, and for people who don't really like to talk too much. For instance, and I just want to give you my card and tell you about what I do. I just tap my card on your phone, and all my information pops up on your client or your potential client's phone. And also on your profile, you can see all the analytics of everybody that has tapped your card and everything. So it just has a way to help you keep track of your networking click, people you've made contact with over the years, and you can do your follow-ups as well. Yeah, so it's like a data information, just help you store all your data.
Aka Payment is a financial technology company that is licensed by the central bank, and we are positioned as a switching and processing company, and we carry out services around merchants, businesses, agency banking, and then web acquiring, where we're able to provide robust technological platforms for collections for companies. We help businesses in terms of collections, payments, and all sorts of digital transactions you can ever think of. Okay, so for Aka, what we have looked at, first of all, in building our products, we've actually considered the target markets, the unbanked in one way. We've also looked at the SMEs. So what really differentiates us, considering the level of education of this category of people, we've built products that are extremely simple and easy to use, products that are affordable. Also, we've also considered their level of income. So first, it begins with ease of use and simplicity of this product, and what we have done to keep us different or to make us stand out is the speed and the instant of these transactions. Our transactions are instantly consummated online, real time. And the unique thing about Aka is, if you look at, for instance, our payment gateway, right, all companies, the ease of integrating into this platform makes it very, very easy for a whole lot of customers to come on board. It's digital end to end, and then we've really taken into consideration the customer user journey from end to end. We've made everything self-service. You do not need any human intervention. As long as you log into the platform, you're able to plug in, you're able to integrate, you're able to carry a transaction, do all sorts of, and start earning on your own without any form of human intervention.
So Identical Integrated Solutions, we provide tech services for people, we provide consulting services, identity solutions, identity management, biometric solutions, just everything identity. We do that here, and then we also consult for businesses, tech consulting. I mean, we have various partners, so when we are bringing in solutions, we know that we're bringing you solutions that cover multiple partners. We're not just bringing you a narrowed solution. We can stand back and then see solutions, bring you tailored solutions that cover everything that you need. We have multiple partners that we partner with to provide you solutions that cover everything that you need. So Foodstuff Store is an agri-tech startup company. We are your one-stop shop for online. We are your one-stop online shop for food items and groceries, for raw foodstuffs, items and groceries. We deal in the supply of food items, of raw food items, various food items, farm produces, agricultural produces relating to food. We deal on all of that. We supply food items to individuals, hotels, restaurant owners, and so on. What stands us out is that we get our stuff directly from farmers. We have farmers that we partner with who give us fresh food and farm produces, and we equally have competitive price. We make sure we source for these food items at very good prices, because we know that the economy of the country is not stable right now, but we try to ensure that we give good prices, which makes our customers come back. So what stands us out is mostly our quality and our prices of items.